Hello guys, this is interview prep. Hello world here. Today we are going to discuss the lead code problem, rearrange string k distance apart. So let's jump to the problem description. So this problem says given a non-empty string s and an integer k, rearrange the string such that same characters are at least k distance apart from each other. Means there if there are same characters, there should be at least k distance apart from each other. There should be at least k minus 1 k characters between them. So let's say here it is k equal to 3. So our one a is at 0th index and another a is at third index. So between both the a's there are k minus 1 character. So these two a's are 3 distance apart, and in similar manner for B and in similar manner for C. All the input strings are given in the lowercase letters. If it is not possible to rearrange the string, return the empty string. Okay. So it is saying that if it is not possible to arrange, simply return entry empty string. Let's take a look at the size of input. If it is given, no, it is not given. Let's see in what are the companies this question has been asked. This question has been asked in Microsoft, Facebook. Let me. Oh, it is also asked in Google as well. It is also asked in Amazon. So let's jump to the question. So how we can approach towards this question is like we can maintain a 26 character frequency array or map, and with the help of priority queue, we each time we can extract top k elements, like the elements which are having higher frequency actually. So we can remove the k elements from the frequency priority queue, and then we try to arrange those first. After that, if still the count of those characters are not zero, we again insert that elements into the queue and again pop next k elements, and in this manner we continue. So let's start coding. Let's create a structure first. C and count public node this dot c equal to c count is dot length n is less than or equal to 1 or k is less than equal to 1. Simply return s. Let's create a 26 character hash array. Okay, hash c. And next we create a comparator. Let's create a priority queue. Initialize with this comparator. New node. Our character is ch and value is hash I. Okay, so you simply add node. Now we will create an string builder. While pq dot size is greater than or equal to k. Create an array and pop k elements from the heap. If zero, if it is greater than 0, then we again append q dot add array I. Okay, so this loop terminates when its size is less than k. sb dot append node dot c. We will check if it's still it is not 0. If it is still greater than 0, then we know that we cannot arrange this character k distance apart. We directly return here null string. Let's check. So it is giving some error. Okay, it should be node here. Yeah, so it is running on this input. Let's check for another input. Let us see if we can arrange this. Okay, it is running correct. Let's check for another input. Yeah, it is running correct. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed. If you want more LeetCode premium solutions, then do subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.